Hello and welcome back to a brand new academic year. With the new semester just upon us, I want to take a moment to share with you a variety of major initiatives here within the college. I just had the opportunity to attend our convocation here on campus and was able to meet the president and vice president of our student body, Samantha and Lance. They are undergraduates here with the College of Veterinary Medicine and Biomedical Science and great examples of the leadership that we have here. I also had the opportunity to attend our DVM coding ceremony. What an incredible event that was. Students from all over the world. We have students from Japan and China, from the Ukraine and from Poland, and then here within the United States, 21 states are represented and several Native American tribes. So one of the areas we've been spending a tremendous amount of time in is with our strategic plan. And as you know, this is a really critical area that helps pull together all of the work that we've been doing with our mission, our values, and our vision here within the college. And I want to thank all the faculty members that have been so involved with that. You've all seen our strategy map, which is a great way for us to identify those big initiatives and help highlight those as we move into this semester. One of our key initiatives is developing a strong financial model to ensure our long-term success. And a big part of that is philanthropy and private giving. I'm really excited to report that both the university and our college had all-time records last year. University was able to bring in over $140 million, and our college alone was able to bring in over $42 million. Hugely important for us moving forward. As part of philanthropy, we've had two major milestones within the college, and that is that CSU's first two presidential chairs have been awarded here in our college. The Withrow chair is part of the Flint Animal Cancer Center, currently occupied by Director Dr. Rod Page. And the second one is the Leslie Malone Presidential Chair in Equine Sports Medicine as part of our Orthopedic Research Center. I anticipate being able to share some exciting news in the next couple months about a gift that will significantly transform the facilities in our area here on the South Medical campus. One of the biggest initiatives within our strategic plan is our facilities. How do we remodel and how do we build new facilities here at CSU? So one of the most exciting projects that we're working on is how to expand our animal, human, and neuroanatomy facilities here. We've always had one of the world-class programs for both undergraduate and graduates, and how do we continue to provide that with aging facilities? I'm standing here on top of our existing anatomy lab, and our plan is to greatly grow this program and this facility out so there'll be an entire second floor that includes our human and neuroanatomy laboratories with new classrooms and new student areas. We're also renovating and upgrading some of our research facilities, and here we are in our second floor of the pathology building, home of the Prion Research Center. The laboratories have been emptied, the facilities are going to be going through demolition this fall, and then we look forward to a brand new, highly improved laboratory in the spring of 2015. One of the remodels I'm most excited about is here in the veterinary first year cubes. This area was built over 40 years ago in an existing laboratory and didn't have adequate potable water, didn't have the right electrical outlets, and really wasn't up to what our students are in need of today. So I'm really excited about the fact that we spent the summer demolishing and remodeling. We've just invited the students back in here, and it looks great. Let's take a look. So here's a great example of new, appropriate, wonderful student areas, both from computers and technology, and then we'll also see in a minute the individual cubes, this group study areas, and some of the lounge areas that now we can provide to our veterinary students. This area and the other facility remodels that we've been talking about are critical to the long-term success of this college. They're also really important for our upcoming accreditation process. As many of you will remember, in spring 2015, we will go through the Council of Education accreditation process. There's already a great amount of work going on into that, creating the self-assessments and putting in the paperwork to allow the accreditation process to happen. You'll see next semester a variety of communication that's coming out to the faculty, staff, and students to make sure that you guys are all heavily involved in this process. Lastly, I want to share with you what's happening around our One Health Initiative. As you may remember, last year CSU opened up this brand new campus-wide initiative that helps elevate our research, teaching, and service and those linkages between animal, human, and environmental health. This has been a great initiative, and I'm really excited about the enthusiasm of all the colleges, the schools, the government agencies, and the industry here in Colorado that will make this successful. I also want to especially thank the faculty and staff that have been so involved with the numerous retreats and with the dinner lecture series that we've been having. Now you'll see in the next couple months that the Office of the Vice President of Research will be sending out a call for proposals for seed grants in the One Health Initiative, and I also wanted to let you know that we're actively in a search right now for the director of our One Health Institute. So welcome back to a brand new academic year, and thanks for all that you do to make this a wonderful place to work, learn, and discover.